Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a link in a YouTube video description. I'm inside my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to land on this page, just visit studio.youtube.com. After arriving at this page, go to the Content tab. Click on the video that you want to add a link in its description. This is the description field where you need to add your link, and to add your link simply copy the page link like that and paste it here. Now publish your video like that. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Publish your video like that. Keep clicking on next. Now let's see our video description live. And this is how to add a link in a YouTube video description. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.